fertig mit, glücklich über, begeistert von. These are some of the adjectives that take prepositions. In the previous video, we did a few verbs that take prepositions. Well, also some adjectives take prepositions. Let's see, how many do you remember? Hello everyone, welcome to Learn German. In our January special, that is the 15-day challenge, we are testing one grammar topic every day. Today's topic is Adjektive mit Präpositionen. You will be seeing 20 adjectives and you have to tell the correct preposition. Adjektive mit Präpositionen. See the adjective and you will have 5 seconds to tell the preposition that goes with it. For example, fertig, fertig mit. After 5 seconds, the answer will be displayed. So, let's begin. Abhängig, angenehm, befreundet, beliebt, bereit, beschäftigt, böse, dankbar, einverstanden, erstaunt, freundlich, gewöhnt, interessiert, höflich, nett, reich, schädlich, sicher, traurig, verliebt, and this was the last one. How many did you get correct? Do let us know in the comments. Do remember to do this again if you want to practice some more. All the best! Just like all other videos in this series, for the patrons there won't be any transcript, summary, extra worksheet, or podcast. However, by becoming a $5 patron, you can get an early access to this video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss! Auf Wiedersehen!